What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play game profile not problem. Okay, let's start it. Follow my all step. Now first your phone settings. Now click phone settings, scroll down. Now click app. Now search Google. Now click Google Play game. Scroll down now click storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click delete. Now click permission, and permission is notification. Now click your Play Store. Now update Google Play game. Now click Google Play game. My Google Play game already updated. Now click open. Now click continue your Gmail. Now click your profile, and now your problem solved. And thanks for watching my channel, and subscribe now my video.